Good morning, first graders. Today is Thursday, March 26, 2020. Let's start our day with the kindness pledge. One hand on your heart, one hand in the air. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. Well, first graders, I have a couple announcements that I want to share with you before you begin your day. The first thing that I want to share with you is a reminder about our Zoom meeting set for Friday at 12. Now, you might remember this is going to be our lunch Zoom meeting. We're going to have a virtual lunch date. And so think about what you might want to bring to lunch to eat. Get that ready and be ready to Zoom in with us on Friday at 12. Now, besides bringing your lunch, I thought it'd be really fun, and you'll see this in the slides today, if you could bring one of these items. Let me share my screen with you. So in today's slideshow, you are going to see a reminder about our lunch date tomorrow. And it would be really fun if you could find one of these items and bring your favorite item from this list below, and we'll do some sharing together while we're eating lunch. So we have some options. You can look around your house, see if you can find something yellow. Maybe you want to bring a book with the first letter of your name in the title. Or an item that is soft. If I bring Mario, do you think that would work as my soft item? A photo of someone you love. That's a great one too. I have lots of photos of people that I love. A tiny toy. Something round. An item that is rough. I'm having trouble reading that bottom one. I believe it says a movie that has the letter D. It's either D or B. I'm having a hard time telling from my screen. In the title. Something square. 5 things that are blue. I see a couple of things just sitting here in my office I could bring for that. A toy that has 4 wheels. Something that makes noise. A book with numbers. A picture you drew. This would be a great time. I believe Mr. B gave a challenge about drawing yourself at recess, playing with your friends. So if you did that, you could bring that to your sharing time for our lunch on Friday. Your favorite stuffed animal or something that smells good. So tomorrow, 12 o'clock, I'll send your parents a Zoom meeting number. Bring your lunch, bring your favorite item from the list below, and we'll share while eating lunch. Something else that I wanted to zoom in and show you today, our classroom Padlet. So many friends are doing so many exciting things on here. I hope that you'll hop on here and post a picture. I know I am getting ready on this beautiful day to take a walk with Mario, and I'm hoping to put some pictures of our walk and our time outside together this afternoon. But a couple of friends have recently posted. Annalise yesterday, looks like she spent some time outside and she saw a big tree get cut down. Dominic was at the skate park yesterday, and I love that video that he uploaded there. Even Miss Chappelle Edney has decided to join us on our Padlet. She's enjoying some porch time. And Mr. B, he hopped on here too, of course. He is telling Maddox to get busy with his e-learning. So friends, you can comment on here. I noticed that Kat and Sophia were having a little conversation back and forth yesterday. You can hop on here, comment to your friends about what they're doing, like what they are doing. I hope that you'll take advantage of this really fun place for us to post photos together. Okay, I'm going to switch my screen back. All right, friends, I hope you have a thrilling Thursday. I hope it is wonderful. I hope you make the most of this e-learning day. And as always, click the next link to do the pledge with Mr. A. Have a fabulous day.